The Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds are known for their superior noise cancellation and audio quality. However, like all tech, they can sometimes encounter issues. This video will guide you through the simple process of resetting your WF-1000XM5 earbuds. You might need to reset them if you experience connectivity problems, audio distortion, one earbud not connecting, or after a faulty firmware update. A reset returns the earbuds to their factory settings, often resolving these common issues. This process will erase saved pairings, EQ settings, and customizations within the Sony Headphones Connect app. Resetting the WF-1000XM5 is a hardware-based process that clears the earbud's volatile memory and Bluetooth module. It's not a full factory reset like on a smartphone, but rather a targeted reboot for the earbuds and charging case. This process will not affect the battery or ANC hardware or the serial numbers of your earbuds. The reset procedure will put your earbuds into pairing mode so that they will be discoverable to your device. Before resetting your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds, ensure they have at least 50% battery charge to avoid interruption during the process. Make sure you have the Sony Headphones Connect app installed on your smartphone or device. This app is essential for managing and repairing your earbuds after the reset. It is recommended that you back up any custom equalizer settings or preferences within the app, as these will be erased during the reset and cannot be recovered. Note that all WF-1000XM5 models, including region-specific variants, use the same reset process, so these prerequisites apply universally. Place both earbuds into the charging case and close the lid. Ensure they are properly seated to initiate charging. Wait 30 seconds to allow the system to stabilize. Open the charging case lid. Locate the reset button inside the case. It's a small tactile button near the USB-C port. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. The indicator lights on the earbuds and the case will begin to flash orange and white alternately. Release the button once the lights stabilize, which usually occurs after 20 to 30 seconds. The earbuds are now reset and will enter pairing mode, indicated by flashing white lights. After resetting your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds, they enter pairing mode automatically. To reconnect them to your device, start by accessing the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Once in Bluetooth settings, scan for available devices. Your earbuds should appear as Sony WF-1000XM5 in the list of discovered devices. Tap on the Sony WF-1000XM5 entry to begin the pairing process. Make sure both earbuds are in the case and the lid is open. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The earbuds will confirm pairing with a solid white light and a confirmation sound. Once paired, launch the Sony Headphones Connect app on your device. Here you can restore any previously backed up settings or customize your audio preferences. If the reset process doesn't seem to work, here are a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure that the charging case has sufficient power. A low battery in the case can sometimes interfere with the reset. Second, double-check that you're pressing and holding the reset button for the correct duration, which is 10 to 15 seconds. Third, try cleaning the charging contacts inside the case with a dry cloth. If the issues persist after these steps, contact Sony support for further assistance, as it may indicate a hardware problem. Always perform resets in a stable environment, away from extreme temperatures or humidity. Avoid resetting the earbuds while they are actively charging or if the charging case is low on power, as this can lead to an incomplete reset. If you continue to experience problems after resetting, it's important to seek professional support. The support team reports that resets are the top fix for 40% of reported issues. Remember to always keep your earbuds updated with the latest firmware via the Sony Headphones Connect app to avoid bugs. The true wireless earbud market is evolving towards more user-friendly and integrated reset mechanisms. While Sony currently relies on hardware resets, competitors are exploring app-based options. Future Sony models may incorporate hybrid reset options, combining hardware and app controls with AI diagnostics that automatically suggest resets. With the rise of spatial audio and multi-device pairing, resets may become more frequent for optimization. However, advancements in error-correcting firmware may ultimately reduce the need for manual resets in the long run. The evolution of earbud resets reflects broader tech advancements, making devices more intuitive and reliable.